Where does the name for Shoplatch come from? So today I'm in Shropshire, I'm in Shrewsbury, and this street behind me is called Shoplatch. Let's get into the name. Now, I've heard two theories for the name of Shoplatch. The second half is clearly placha in Middle English, an alternative form of plaza, meaning a place or sometimes a building. The first half of Shoplatch, however, is contested. The first theory is that the word at the start of Shoplatch was originally a family name, as records of a 13th century stone mansion owned by a Shuta family was found in Shrewsbury. All that remains of it now are the cellars of number 8 and 9 of the square, and they're now used as wine vaults. I like this idea, but there is an issue with it in that the square isn't that close to Shoplatch. I'm not discounting this theory, but it seems odd that the street name here would be tied to a mansion a few streets away. Another theory is that it's from Shotterplache, with Schotter being a Middle English word meaning a shot or a place to shoot. The idea is that this street led down to a common ground known as the quarry, which was used for longbow practice in the Middle Ages, which was a legal requirement at the time. In 1363, Edward III, shocked at the lack of good archery skills in England at the time, made it law to practice archery on Sundays. In fairness, he did keep sending the good archers off to France for the 100 Years' War. So the name literally means either shooter's place or a place to shoot longbows. Anyway, deal, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Deal, have a good one.